If you're following me on Instagram, you've already been introduced to Jonathan, my boyfriend. We met in 2017 and hit it off right away. I remember both of us being so smiley on our first date. I've never been more impressed by any guy as much as I've been impressed by him. He is beyond any partner I could have asked for or imagined. Thank you to Wish for providing me with the awesome chocolate fountain, candles, and decor to make this charming setup. With Valentine's Day around the corner, maybe you can get yourself, your mom, or your beau something sweet through the Wish app. Wish has tons of decor and pretty much everything you need for any holiday. It's also a great place to discover unique items. Here's my pro tip. Select items that are marked as Wish Express to get your stuff delivered faster. Download the Wish app to start browsing now.